Welcome to MasterChef Mom. First of all, thank you so much for all the great feedback and the recipe creations and the pictures you're sending. I'm so thrilled to see everything and happy that our recipes are helping. Amma, actually many of them have written to me, shared pictures about detox rasam. They have made detox rasam, tomato masiyal. So they want more and more recipes that have less ingredients, can be stored for a longer time, good for health.
Okay, Omani, have you tried Paruppu Thogayal?
Illamma.
அது பண்ணலாமே, அது less ingredients.
Okay, let's do Paruppu Thogayal. Oh, it will be great.
Well, why don't you do it along with nice aloo sabzi?
Superb, great combination. Paruppu Thogayal, aloo sabzi. Let's get to my kitchen. Let's start making these two great items and easy to make too. Make this Paruppu Thogayal, that is the Nutri Chutney, you will need tuvar dal, garlic, black peppercorns, ginger, ghee and salt to taste.
Okay, I'm now going to start making Paruppu Thogayal.
Okay ma, let's start making. So first step to make the Nutri Chutney, first heat a small pan and add ghee to it. If you're vegan, you can always use coconut oil or any oil of your choice. So once the ghee melts, now you can add your tuvar dal. This is a very healthy chutney and it can be stored in the refrigerator up to 3 to 4 days also. If you don't have fresh ginger, you can also use dry ginger powder or dry ginger. So now to this I'm going to add the garlic and I'm also going to add peppercorns and the ginger, fresh ginger. I'm using fresh ginger. Mixture has to turn fragrant. The dal has to turn light brown. Till that we are going to keep stirring. So fry this over low flame only. You can see the dal has turned light brown and all the other ingredients have turned fragrant. I'm going to switch off the gas now. So once this cools down a little, I'm going to transfer this to the jar of a mixer and I'm going to add some water and grind this. So once you switch off, you always place it down, remove from the gas stove and place it down so that the ingredients cools down a bit and it also stops frying. These ingredients are cooling down for the chutney. Let's make the potato kootu curry. I'm going to make it in the pressure cooker and show how quickly we can make this. To make this potato kootu curry, you will need potatoes, tomatoes, then for spice you will need sambar powder, some turmeric powder, and for tempering you will need some oil, mustard seeds, asafoetida and salt to taste. Now let's start making this kootu curry. So first step, I'm heating the pressure cooker. I'm using a 3-liter pressure cooker. Now first adding oil. Once the oil heats up, we are going to add mustard seeds. And once the mustard seeds flutters, we are going to add the asafoetida. Now I am going to add the tomatoes. I have roughly chopped the tomatoes. Now to this, I am going to quickly add some turmeric powder. This is optional but gives a vibrant color. So I am adding turmeric powder and I am going to add the sambar powder. If you don't have sambar powder, you can always use red chilli powder and coriander powder. So I am adding sambar powder and I am also going to add some salt. Mix this well and add little bit of water. So I am going to add around half a cup of water. This is a very quick curry which you can make. to serve along with rice or roti. So the water has started boiling. I am adding chopped potatoes. Roughly chop them. If you want, you can even peel the skin of the potatoes and chop them. We like it with the skin, so I am adding potatoes with the skin. Mix it well. And we are going to add water to this now. I am adding another 1 cup of water. I have already added 1 cup of water. I am adding another cup of water. That's it. I am going to pressure cook this now up till 2 to 3 whistles and switch off. While the aloo curry is pressure cooking, let's grind this Nutri Chutney. So I am transferring this dal and other ingredients to the jar of the mixer. Adding some salt. Okay, and first we'll grind it into a powder. If you see, it's ground into a coarse powder. Now I'm going to add some water to this and grind it again. So our chutney is ground. See, this is the consistency we are looking at. It's coarsely ground. If you want, you can even have this as a poori, that is as a chutney powder itself. So our Nutri Chutney is now done. So I have opened the pressure cooker. I have lightly mashing the potatoes, very gently, a few of them, so that the gravy thickens a little bit. And then I have garnished with coriander leaves. That's it. Our delicious potato curry cooked curry is now done. I'm switching off. I'm going to serve it now. Add some rice. A spoon of the Nutri Chutney. And pour some sesame oil on top of the chutney. You can mix and enjoy this. I'm also going to serve this delicious potato curry or the cooked curry. It's such a delicious combination. So our Nutri Chutney rice with our potato sabji is now ready to be enjoyed. Do try and share your feedback with me.
Super combination, Uma. Very nice combination. Paruppu Thogayal and aloo sabji, aloo tomato sabji, Romanalar combination. It's very nice. I think you should all try and give your feedback to Uma how easy it was to make and how tasty it was.
Subscribe to MasterChef Mom YouTube channel. Stay safe.